Sitting here at the Iola Car Show. Got my Reatta for sale. Saturday. Grandfather brought his Doodlebug. An old Dodge pickup. Converted into a tractor back in the day. Kind of dead. Can't see over that hill, but there's nothing over there in that one corner right there. A lot of empty spots. I mean, it's Saturday yet. I mean, it's Friday. Not even Saturday. Tomorrow's Saturday. So you think tomorrow's gonna be the big day when everyone else comes and looks at stuff, but no, it looks like the vendors are getting less and less throughout the years here. But oh well. Didn't sell much. Actually, I didn't sell anything. Bought those for my grandpa's Model A pickup, which he kind of didn't care for. Which kind of sucked. I think they're better than the hubcaps he's got on it. Then I bought those tires. Got some motorcycle exhaust for $5. Got 2 turbo wheels. That's about it. That's my Iola.